Hi friends, and welcome back to another interesting video. So in today's video I am going to be preparing dinner for my family, and I would love to take you along as I do everything. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Karunji Josephine, and it's quite a pleasure to have you here. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you too for always coming back to watch our videos. I always love to see you back here, see you in the comments. It's always a pleasure. So today we are going to be preparing some chicken, some kuku, and then I'll be making some matoke and rice because that's our family favorite. I'm always looking forward to taking you along as I cook. So we are going to be starting with washing our chicken. I got it from the market when it's already slaughtered and cut into pieces because I truly can't slaughter a chicken. Let me know down in the comment sections. Do you guys slaughter chicken yourselves or buy it from the market when it's already slaughtered, from the supermarkets, wherever you buy it from? Have you ever slaughtered even a chicken? Let me know, because I am truly scared to do that. So we are going to be cutting it again into smaller pieces, the ones that children can actually be able to bite, and the big ones will be for the adults, the us. So let's cook together. So our chicken had some eggs. These here are eggs that were not laid. So I also discovered the chicken had so much fats. So I'm going to be separating these fats, and then I'll keep them in the fridge and use them another time because it's going to be lots and lots of fats, which I don't want. So as I was chopping the spices, I was also boiling our chicken. So I covered it to boil for some time before I add all the other ingredients in. And this is how it's looking like at the moment. So traditionally we would roast a chicken like on fire before actually cooking it like this. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to fry it, pan fry it, so that it can have that golden brown coating, and then after that I'll be adding in the other ingredients. So right now I've just removed the chicken broth, and I'm going to be frying it, leaving it on the pan to fry until it's all golden brown. So this right here is what I'm talking about. Are you seeing that little brown coating so far? That is what I want. So let's give it some more time as we keep on turning it until the parts are golden brown, and then I'll be adding in the other ingredients. So this is the time where I'm going to be adding in our eggs and then the liver as well. These ones here. We'll be adding in the liver as well so that it can boil together with our chicken. Yeah, the reason why I didn't want to put it the other time when I was putting spices is because the eggs will definitely break in, and then our liver will break into small pieces that you could not recognize it when it's ready. So as it is boiling, we are going to be peeling our matoke, and then we'll be cooking some rice as well and wait for our dinner to get ready. So as I am cooking, everything right now is on fire. I washed my utensils and my kitchen is clean. Yeah, this is what I enjoy most. Like seeing my kitchen clean and everything back in order gives me so much joy. So right now, I am going to be waiting for our food to get ready as I bathe our boys for the evening and then prepare our dinner. So here is the sauce. It's boiling. The matoke is boiling, and then the rice is also boiling on the other side. I love the aroma in the house. Guys, my kitchen is already smelling so nice, and we can't wait to serve our food. And then before we know it, everything is ready now and it's time for serving our dinner. So let's put it to plate and we serve the family. You like your food?
Yes.
Hello, you eat.
And I feel like I want to taste it.
Okay, you
Hi.
eat. Hi.
I think we can taste tomato sauce and the chicken.
Sure.
Yes, and the chicken eggs.
The chicken what?
Eggs.
The chicken eggs. Do you like them?
Yes.
They are very nice.
Yes, very nice. But we don't want to
Good.
eat the eggs.
Hey, Mommy Yana.
Mom.
Do you like your eggs also? You're eating chicken egg. Nice.
Mommy.
Yes, Mama. Want to give me some?
Now what's that?
Thank you. And so that is it, friends. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't and join the community. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section as well. I'll be so glad to answer them. If you are as well interested in having a family meal plan, I made one for moms like me, Ugandan moms, those who enjoy African cuisines, and you're always asking, what should we have for tonight? Well, I made a solution for that. I'm selling a meal plan, a family meal plan at only $20. That is Yugi X, 70,000 shillings, and you can have it. Leave a comment here and say meal plan. I'll be reaching out to you and sharing more details if you are interested. So from me to you is thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.